Hey there guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Andrew and today I'll be doing a Packhelp review while showing you how you can make your own custom packaging. Well, okay, let's start. What is Packhelp? Packhelp is a website where you can easily come here and design your own custom packaging without having to pay a large fee for it. So when you sign up with the link in the description, you'll be taken to this page here. So, as I told you, this way you come design, and this way you come and design your own custom packaging. Now, if you press here where it says menu, you can see all the boxes that they have to offer. These are pre-printed bio poly mailer, pillow boxes, padded envelopes, stand-up pouches, and you can also get custom labels and these many other boxes. So let me show you a few examples of what other people have made themselves. So if you come here, you'll be shown these pictures here. So look at this nice box that someone made using Packhelp. Here's another one, here's another one, here's another one. And this looks like a beard oil brand. So this looks nice. This looks nice. Here's a few. Here's one again. Here's one again. And these are the type of boxes that you can make. So when you're on this website, right, you can just easily come down here and simply choose the box you want or the packaging you want. So there's these different types of packaging depending on what you want to use it for and for your business. So here they are. You just go check them out yourself. Now the box I want here is this one, the full color mailer box. So I'm gonna click here. Now you'll be taken to this page. Now when you here, you choose the size, and it's 19.5 by 6. Choose the quantity, I want 30. And when you say choose material, you click there, you'll be taken to this page here. So once you're on this page, you'll be given this clean box here. For instance, for you it's gonna be different depending on the packaging that you choose. So for me it's this box. So you come here to personalize. Now you come here, you upload your logo. My logo is already uploaded, so I just click here and I press here. Now here's my logo. Now you can drag this to the front of the box. So if you want to put your logo on the side or anywhere, you just simply click here. These are the 4 corners, the six sides that they have on this box. So you can just simply choose which one you want. Now here I'm gonna put my logo, add text. Now when here on the text, I'm gonna put my brand name. Now, when you click on the text, you'll be given this dash here over here. So while you're here, you can change the color: green, brown, purple, pink, blue, and all the different colors. So I'm gonna stick with black, and you can also get different types of fonts for your text with these ones. So I'm still gonna go with this one because I think it's nice, simple, it's nice. So you can also come here and choose your shapes. Now you can also add these Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter badges or shapes. I don't know what to call them here. So that's it, but I'm not gonna add, so skip. Now you come here to images. You can upload the image or even another logo or any PNG of any sort. So I'm gonna skip, I'm not adding anything. So you come here to Ego. So Ego is this thing where you can add, if you add this thing, it's gonna say that you donated a euro to this plant organization that plants trees. So I'm just gonna donate €1. Okay, now I'm done. This is my box here at the front. So I think this looks nice, simple, nothing too special. So click here back. So once you're done, this is my box over here. Now you can also click the sides to go on side like this, drag it. It's 3D object, so you can drag and click the sides. So I'm not gonna edit anything else. I'm just gonna come here to background and patterns. Now with background, you can also choose a background color. So you can choose green, blue, pink, or you can come here and choose here. Now with here, it's basically because you can also choose the type of texture you want. So simply do like this, like this, like this, and just play around with it. So I'm done. I don't actually want to add a color, so I'm just keep it white. So you can easily come, you scroll down, and here the type of patterns that will be provided. So here's one, another 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 one. So you never finish the pattern. So there's so many patterns to go through. I can't go through them in one video. So I'm gonna choose no pattern, right? I don't want to have pattern. My box fine. So come here now. Here you'll be able to choose the material you want on the inside. So it's either you want the craft box inside, or you can get the same box as the outside. So I'm just gonna keep it here by craft, and you can also choose the type of material you want on the outside, how you want to differ. You can either get glossy foil or matte foil, so it's really up to you. So eco, we went through this already and I already put it. So once you're done with your box, you just click here to review and purchase. And once again, you click here, add cart. And once you press add cart, you'll be taken to this page over here. Now, once you're on this page here, you decide here to, okay, if you want your boxes to be checked by expert, like before shipping, to avoid mistakes and all that, you can just click here. You'll be like, okay, print expert check, they can check for you before it gets shipped to you. So it's really up to you. And here, this is where you choose how fast you want it, to get shipped to your house, by when, and the production too. So that's it. No, so I'm gonna keep it the same. You will charge extra fee, so it's really up to you. So once you're here, you can also add stickers. You can also add stickers, thank you cards, wool, and self-adhesive pockets. So I'm gonna add a thank you card. Come here, quantity 100 is the max. Now press add. That's it. Yeah, I added a thank you card. So these are a few examples. Custom packaging also. So once you're done, you press review card, and then you press checkout, and then you pay, and that's it, guys. Like, it's so simple. Packhelp made it so simple that anyone can do it with no experience, little experience. So just sign up with the link in the description and make your own custom packaging without having to pay some experts hundreds and hundreds of euros or dollars to get it for you. So that's it, guys, and thank you guys for watching my video. Goodbye.